Being a tarot reader is a chance to really touch someone's life in a way that they will never forget. And it is about creating a sacred space where they can find clarity, where they can open up and really connect with something deeper. So every reading becomes this opportunity to leave a powerful impact. And sometimes that impact goes straight to the heart.
My dad, not to change it, but he passed away a year ago. And before he passed away, I gave him a tarot reading, and that was my green light. It took him 2 days. And he called me and he said, you need to do this. You helped me. I'm not gonna say anything else. You helped me. I don't know how you knew my business, but keep doing what you're doing. And I made that promise to him, and I just kept going. And it's been the best decision I've ever made.
When you step into the role of tarot reader, you become a light for people in the darkest moments. It's more than just answering questions about the future. It's actually about offering hope, healing, and this sense of direction, especially if people are feeling lost. And you create that space where they can find that clarity and the comfort when they need it most. And sometimes the demand for that guidance, it becomes undeniable.
I was at the yoga festival and it was crazy. People just kept coming to the stall the entire time. I couldn't get up. I couldn't eat. I couldn't take a break. The festival was over. There's mosquitoes everywhere. I still had a line of people waiting to get their questions answered. That was really amazing for me that people here feel like this is something that can help them, that, they could respond to it.
The certification made me connect to myself deeper, and by connecting to my inner self, I was able to open up that safe container for people to open up. There's something sacred about that. When people open up their feelings and their challenges and they're just stuck in the mud and they don't know what to do.
When you embrace the power of tarot, you are opening doors, not just for yourself, but also for those who come to you for guidance. You're helping them see possibility. You're helping them to really step into their potential and create meaningful change. And claiming your power as a tarot reader paves the way for you to transform lives in ways that you may have never imagined. And this is exactly what is possible for you inside of the Biddy Tarot Certification Program. I hope that I'll see you inside.
Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.